Okay, in number 1, 2, and 3, you have to think about whether it is covering the sphere or if it's something that's going to be inside the sphere. So you need to think, is air going to be inside the sphere for number 1, or is it covering the sphere? If it's covering it, then you need surface area. If it's inside of it, you need volume. So for 1, 2, and 3, you need to think of that. For 4 through 6, you are dealing with surface area is for A. So surface area formula is S equals 4 pi r squared. Okay. And number 4, does it give you the radius or the diameter? Gives you the radius. So all you need to do is take 4 pi 3 squared. 3 squared is 9. Oops. Times 4 is, so we have 4 pi 9. 9 times 4 is 36. So you have 36 pi. The calculation was 4 pi 3 squared. The answer was 36 pi, and don't forget inches squared. That was surface area. Now we need to go for volume. Volume is 4/3 pi r cubed. You have the radius already, so you need 4/3 pi 3 cubed. So now you have 3 cubed, which is, this is 4/3 pi 3 cubed. 3 cubed is 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. So we now have 27. We still need 4/3 pi. So 27 divided by 3 is 9, times 4 is 36. Ooh, this is a strange one, which makes it 36 pi inches cubed. Same exact thing. You need to do that for 5 and 6. Be careful with 5 because 5, they don't give you the radius, they give you the diameter. So you need to change the diameter into radius. So you need to take 20 divided by 2, which gives you a radius of 10, right? So we have 10. Now, you need to go through exactly what we went through over there. Also, be careful when you do number 6 because the radius is a half, which is a fraction. Right? Moving on. Maybe. Nope. All right. For the bottom, it says the circumference of an equator of a basketball is about 76 centimeters. So the equator is around it, right? So we have our circle, and the equator is around it, okay? So the equator, what is the diameter of the ball? We need to find what goes around, what cuts through, okay? We know that an equator is just a circle. So if the circumference is 76, It's circumference. Circumference equals 2 pi r, or just diameter times pi. Okay? So all we need to do to get d alone is to divide it by pi. So the circumference is 76 divided by pi, and you need to figure out what that approximately equals. For B, how much air to the nearest centimeters cubed is inside the ball? Well, I suggest you do volume. So you have volume equals 4/3 pi with radius cubed. Okay? We know the diameter. You need to find the radius, which means you need to take this number and divide it by 2. Then you plug it in. I'm going to let you do that. And you come up with all this, and you better come out with a volume unit. So after you plug it in, find that, okay? I'm going to clear it. Get some more space here. How much material to the nearest centimeter squared was used to make the ball? So we again had the diameter up here. We found it was 76 divided by pi. Now we need to find the material to cover. To cover is surface area. So surface area equals 4 pi r cubed. No, sorry, squared. Okay. Now again, you need the radius. And we have the diameter up here. So you again need to take this divided by 2 and plug it in. After you do all the calculation, you end up with something centimeters squared. And that's it.